Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to check a Telegram username, whether it's your own account or someone else. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to look and what these usernames mean for connecting on Telegram, no matter what device you're using. Let's get right into it so you can confidently find any username you're curious about. First, let's walk through how to check your own Telegram username using Telegram Web. This is especially handy if you're on a computer or just want a clear, big screen view. Start by opening your browser and heading over to the Telegram web interface. If you're not already logged in, don't worry, Telegram keeps things secure so you'll be prompted to authenticate your account. You'll need your phone on hand. Either scan the QR code that pops up with your Telegram app, or if you prefer, you can opt for a login code that's sent directly to your Telegram mobile app. This step is a quick security check, just making sure it's really you accessing your account, kind of like picking up your ticket at will call before entering an event. Once you're logged in, look toward the top left corner of the Telegram window. You'll see a familiar menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Give this a click. This menu is where all your account options live, so if you ever need to make changes or poke around, this is where you'll start. From the menu, select Settings. Telegram keeps things tidy, so you'll see your profile details all gathered here. Under the Account section, look for a field labeled Username. If you've ever set up a public username on Telegram, you'll see it displayed right here. It always starts with the @ symbol, just like tags on Twitter or Instagram, so your friends can easily mention or find you. If you don't see a username set, you can actually add one now if you'd like. This is useful because it lets people connect with you without sharing your phone number. Think of it as your digital nickname on Telegram. If you haven't chosen one yet, take this as a gentle nudge to get creative. Now let's switch gears. What if you want to check another user's username on Telegram? Maybe you're trying to verify if a contact has a public username, or you want to make sure you're connecting with the right person. Here, what you do, open Telegram web just like before. At the top of your chat list, you'll see a little magnifying glass icon. That's your search bar. Click on it when you're ready. Type the username you're looking for into the search bar, but don't forget to start with the @ symbol, for example. @Telegram username. As you type, Telegram will start showing results under the global search section, so you can quickly spot the person or channel you're interested in. When you see the right profile pop up, simply click on it and you'll be taken straight into a chat window with that user. One thing to keep in mind here, global search works only for usernames that are set as public. So if someone hasn't created a username for their Telegram account, you won't find them via search, no matter how hard you try. In those cases, you can only reach them if they're already in your phone contacts. It's Telegram's way of keeping users' privacy in check. And that's it. Checking usernames on Telegram web is straightforward, and now you have a clear roadmap for both your account and when searching for others. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you still have questions about Telegram or usernames, drop them in the comments. I read every single one. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching and happy chatting on Telegram.